my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't tryna do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn diva. Here goes my heart.
You don't keep my line no more. Oh, oh, oh. You don't make it ring, 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 ring.
Diana, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a
makeup tutorial.
And don't mind this. Like, it was a cute wing, and I blinked. And you know how like when you blink, sometimes you get that little tear or something like that. And yeah, I blinked, and then I tried to wipe it away. And yeah, that see, look at that didn't happen. So see, it's still coming off. Yeah, we're gonna be redoing our makeup because we feel like it. And basically, yeah. Also, I'm sorry I did not upload for a long time because I was on punishment. And yeah.
So
Basically, yeah. And also, I will be uploading another video next week. It's a video I made with my friend. And you guys will be seeing that. And basically, yeah. Alright, so now you just, as you can see, I did my eyebrows.
Yeah. You know, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, now, so we're just gonna do the other eyebrow. Don't ask what happened. Tutorial of how I do my eyebrows. So like, I'm that one girl who does her eyebrows like, oh my god, you do your eyebrows like that? Ew. They're too dark, they're too light, they're blah blah this, blah blah that. Like, there's always that one person who's like, oh, that's how you do your eyebrows? Yes, is that how you do your face every day? But alright, so now we're just gonna blend our eyebrows so you don't have to see those little wacky lines.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like Texas for exes.
Diamonds like I'm signed by the rock. Ain't pushing out his baby's telly by the rock. Hey yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nicki like the Prince song. I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on.
and I want to. Hi, sisters. I did the foundation and stuff. I really don't know. I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be getting some tape actually, and I'm putting it under my eyelid.
Under my eyelid?
Not under my eyelid. Under my whatever it's called. I'm not good at body parts. Yeah, we're just gonna put the tape right there, and we're gonna be doing some eyeshadow. So let's beat this face.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your part.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna do the other eye, and then I'm gonna speed through it, and then I'm just gonna do some other stuff to my face that I don't even know, honestly. So, wow. Okay, you know what? It doesn't even matter if the tape is wrinkled, because the eyeshadow's not even on there, so it doesn't matter. So, yeah. I feel like this eyebrow is thicker than this eyebrow. It's like thicker than a Snicker. You know what? It doesn't even matter. I don't even know what we're gonna do next. Let's see. I would do a wing, but I don't know how to do a wing. Gloss left, and I have mascara. That's what we should do, mascara.
I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stock went up, check my price, then I tax my education. Like my fashion, gonna cost a couple racks. Now, I don't need a sugar daddy, they call me when they eat stacks. See, I went to USC and got my college degree. That mean I'm smarter than these niggas, can't get over on.
I think, like, I'm done with this makeup tutorial, but I kind of want to do a wing. Like, I think it'll look so much better with a wing. But God knows, I don't know how to do a wing. I forgot to apply highlighter. We're going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills. And, I actually dropped this. Here's a clip of it. So, the snap that was supposed to be here got deleted. So, anyways, yeah. You probably seen that clip, or you probably didn't, so I probably look like an idiot doing this. But, yeah. So, yeah. I mean, all the beauty gurus are quaking right now. Like, what is this child talking about? I don't know what color highlighter I want to use. I don't know. Like, they're all really pretty. See, I told you guys I dropped it. That's why it looks all crisp. Do this, and, we're gonna lightly do this. I'm like, Ayana, what are you doing with your life? You're gonna see it. And you're probably like, Ayana, you look like you just smoked a pile of crack and it's just sitting on your face. No offense to crackheads. I mean, if you smoke crack, you smoke crack. Hey, that's your addiction, not mine. I really shouldn't care about it, but anyway, so we're just gonna blend this out.
For my life, can't say that, girl. Don't tell me you could say that shit. All she want is payback for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying. Don't tell me you nothing like the.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching that video fail. And comment and like and subscribe to see more videos like this, because we don't know what we did. We just, I was like scratching my back, and then like I felt something, and then like I think it's a tag, but yeah, it's a tag. But don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. I'm sorry, this tag is making me itch. Like, you know how everyone no, it's starting to do that again. Like, guys, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe. I wouldn't like this if I were you, but you can give me love and support. Wow. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Love you guys. Oh, I can see myself in the background. Love you guys. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week. And yeah.